Hello, my name is Carlos Clavijo, and this is my personal branding. I am a software developer, a student, and a data analyst expert. My objectives to develop a software project contributing my experience in data analysis as added value, allowing it to have as a final result a successful quality project that is update proper with its objectives and keep in time in an integral way. My profile overview. As a software developer student, I have the ability to analyze um, in detail each stage of software developer and its final result, providing the client with a project that meets their needs and exceeds their expectation. In my work experience, I have contributed uh, positively with my knowledge of programming language. I have the ability to create database and reports on different platforms. As well, I have studies in advanced Excel. My ethical values and professional experience set me apart from other professionals. Key skills, attention to detail, programming language, proficient in C Sharp, Java, Python, and data analyst language, such as SQL, which allows me to create, innovate solution and develop software project on different platforms. Project management um, and development platforms. My relevant experience is a data analyst with Rappi and workforce supervisor with Rappi. And my interest, I enjoy learning new abilities in coding language. I used to take complementary lessons in technology and big data updating. Also, my medium-term objective is to start an MBA in business intelligence. So I attempt to search for information about it to prepare myself. Thank you.